हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एसेट गाइड। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे वन ब्लॉकचेन को लेकर जो काफ़ी सारे डाउट्स हैं उनके बारे में। तो सबसे जो मेन डाउट आता है लोगों का वो यही आता है कि क्या वन कॉइन वाकई में ब्लॉकचेन पर काम करता है। अगर ब्लॉकचेन पर काम करता है तो क्या हम ट्रांजैक्शन को वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं। और जैसे कि हमने अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में बताया था कि यहाँ पर इथीरियम ERC20 टोकन के सभी स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो किए जाते हैं। तो और इथीरियम ERC20 का ही जो नेटवर्क है वहाँ पर प्रूफ ऑफ स्टेक करके उसका जो मॉडिफाइड वर्जन है पावर प्रूफ ऑफ अथॉरिटी, उसी कंसेप्ट को यूज़ करके यहाँ पर माइनिंग की जाती है, ट्रांजैक्शन वेरीफाई किए जाते हैं और टोकन से वन कन्वर्ट किया जाता है। तो आज उसका ही एक डेमो दिखाएंगे कि किस तरीके से ट्रांजैक्शन को वेरीफाई करेंगे। और डेमो के लिए हमने जो फुटेज आपके लिए रखी है वो ऑफिशियल फुटेज है जो कि वन इकोसिस्टम रिवील्ड के दौरान कंपनी ने रिप्रेजेंट की थी। तो मैं आज आपको वही दिखाने वाला हूं जिससे आप अपने आप भी ट्रांजैक्शन को वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं और चीज़ों को चेक कर सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से जो टोकन का मूवमेंट ब्लॉकचेन में होता है वो कैसे होता है और हम उसको कैसे वेरीफाई करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो और देखते हैं।
It's time to brief you shortly on where to find your transactions hash and how to check it in Block Explorer. I'm sure that part of you are well familiar with this process, but let's go together through it and see how it's work. Can you bring my laptop on the screen? You are familiar with this screen, right? I want to tell you, this is our demo environment. No private data will be reviewed during this demo. So you can be sure that your data is safe. I will start by initiating a simple coin transaction. One user is sending crypto to the other user. Okay? Perfect. So I'm ready with Kimi, who is going to his coin wallet. Let me check the other user and what is his nickname. Okay. 876890. 876890. Kim is going to send, let's say, 11 coins to his friend, a present for a birthday. King, that's for you. Okay. Kimi is sending the coins, confirmation, confirming the transactions, and you can see what's happening here. So we have a few blocks, and we can check the detailed transaction. Kimi has a few other transactions that I already did today. And you can see that when the transaction is completed here in the detail transaction view, you have a hashtag. This hash relates to the transaction where this amount is transferred. And you can check in the Block Explorer, based on this hash, the details about the transaction. Let's go with already completed one that I sent earlier before. Go to Block Explorer, then you go to last mined transaction, and here you see all the transactions that are mined in the blockchain. You can use the search field to search by hash, and you're just pasting it, and the desired transaction appear. You can see the same hash, you can see the amount that was transferred, and when it was mined through the blockchain. Very soon, it means in the next 2 weeks, we are going to release a new feature for the Block Explorer that will allow you to click It will allow you to click on the transaction hash and to see details about the sender, the receiver, and what's happening with the validation of this transaction. Thank you very much. If we go in this account for the receiver, you know that in his wallet, he can see all the transactions that are delivered to him. So as I told you, a few seconds are needed for the transactions to come to the receiver. And my birthday present for King is here, 11 coins. Here, this user can do the same. He can copy the hash, he can go to Block Explorer, he can go to the last mine transactions. It's the last mine transactions, but he can search for it, and he can find the proper records about the hash. This way, you can follow all the transactions through our blockchain and check their validity and how many validation nodes go through them. Do you want to see anything else? Do you want to ask more questions?